So if you remember, if you go back sometimes, manufacturing industry is the first industry which taught us Lean Six Sigma. So the process orientation and following a particular track or a process is being adopted by them very early. And many element from a business transformation point of view that we are doing it in other industry has been actually coming from manufacturing industry itself. And again, coming and solving a customer's problem from that domain or an industry is by virtue of the domain heritage that we have from the Motherson Group. Because our solutions and frameworks are not just deployed externally, they are homegrown solutions. They have been deployed into multiple instances of our own setups, our own plants, and hence we know what is working well, what is not working well. And hence we kind of go into the customer scenario and taking the best of the breed solution for that. So if you remember, if you go